Hello friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. Is brown rice good for weight loss? Today let us see how it maintains your weight and the reasons you should have brown rice with a healthy recipe. Let us begin. It is essential to know how brown rice can help maintain the right weight. In case you are on a weight loss mission, you should always consider having a low-carb diet. Most experts think that brown rice has less carb content with low calories and has all the essential nutrients. Brown rice is always the best substitute for white rice, and it can automatically help in reducing weight. Since ages, brown rice has been the perfect solution in making people feel light and healthy, and it is good to know that brown rice helps in burning extra body fat. Now let us see why you should have brown rice. Brown rice falls under the category of refined grains and results in less belly fat when compared to normal grains. It has potassium, iron, vitamins and healthy nutrients for better health and well-being. You will feel full for long hours after having a bowl of brown rice. Brown rice is a fibrous food and it helps in the natural process of digestion. It helps in cleansing the system and keeps the bowel system clean and perfect. Unpolished brown rice contains bran, which is rich in sterols, which may help reduce cholesterol and blood sugar. Now let us see how to prepare a vegetable brown rice. Please note down the ingredients. You need 1 tablespoon virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup carrot chopped, 1/4 cup onion chopped, 1/4 cup capsicum or green bell pepper chopped, 1/4 cup green peas, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 1 cup brown rice, 2.5 cups of water and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now let us see the method. Firstly, wash the brown rice and soak in 2 to 3 cups of water for an hour. Add it to the pressure cooker with 2.5 cups of water. Then cook for 4 whistles. Remove from fire and let it release on its own. Heat a pan and add olive oil. Add onion and saute well. Add carrot, capsicum, green peas and mix well. Cook until tender. Add black pepper, soy sauce and salt. Mix well, cook for 2 minutes. Add the cooked rice to it and mix well. Again cook for 1 minute and turn off the heat. Serve hot. Use brown rice in moderation as 100 grams of cooked brown rice contains 24 grams of carbohydrates. Cooked white rice has 29 grams of carbohydrates per 100 gram and it is low in nutrients. Brown rice has less carb content compared to white rice and it is low in calories and rich in nutrients. So it is the best substitute for white rice for losing weight. Thank you.